Oh yeah, take this.
Order filled.
Yeah, right there. Wifey. Red, green, red wifey, y'all. Oh yeah. Man, you better close on your low. Stop playing. Here we go, y'all. We got a wifey set up here, so we couldn't come off the, we couldn't even touch the key entry point. We're back under the 21 EMA, and now we got a wifey set up. This candle, ooh, yeah. It's gonna go, boom, wifey, beautiful, red, green, red. This is about to be easy money. It's a great way to start the week on a Monday. Catching a wifey off of a range fade. This is money in the bank. This is money in the bank, people. All right, so listen, unfortunately, I am going to take the system off of the market at the end of the month, okay? If you want to learn how to trade like this, C3, grab 2, know that you feel win because you see a wifey setup coming, hit this link below before this month runs out. Get the system for 75% off, and also get it before you just can't get it no more. Oh yeah, oh yeah. See, the thing about the C3 and grab 2 is I'm trying to catch a runner though. If we can close at the bottom, I stay alive. Let's go! I stay alive, we catch the runner. You just take those base hits, but maybe we catch this runner. Now where's the target? Let's talk targets. Let's talk targets. This is leg 1. This is leg 2. Right here. All we gotta do is stay alive. The win is in the bag now. So all we gotta do from here is stay alive. But again, I'm taking the course off because we're moving into a different type of way to be of service to the marketplace. So you gotta get the course before the end of the month because it's gonna be gone after that. This is a very nice rejection candle. If we can get to the close right here, we're gonna be in good shape. We're about to be in good shape. I'm gonna say I'm gonna make it to this target. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but I'm gonna say we're gonna make it to this target today. 5 points. This is a great, move in the ES futures market. So the IOTS protocol is based on immutable data that we can pull out of the futures marketplace, combine it with price action trading, combine it with the right setups, combine it with the 21 EMA, and you have a powerful trading system. We call it the IOTS protocol. That 21 EMA, that wifey setup here, this red, green, red that we took, that we knew was gonna win, obviously y'all saw me talking junk because this is the trade that I created, all right? You ain't never heard nobody else talk about no wifey setup, right? Like, what is the wifey setup? That's JD Hyder. Hey, wifey setup, JD Hyder, IOTS protocol. You ain't never heard that nowhere else. And people in my community, my students, we murder with this one. Hey, everybody in the comments, tell them how we murder with the wifey trade, all right? This is a normal business when you catch a wifey. In fact, when you catch a wife, I need to just leave, stop watching it. When you catch a wifey, especially if you catch it off the top of a range, just go, hey, don't shoot yourself in the foot. Just go eat breakfast, go get some coffee, take a walk. Hey, when you catch a wifey setup, do not shoot yourself in the foot. You have a very good chance that you just caught the turn, okay? The turn. We could easily fall down to 71.65. This is the range. Let's see, where were we at? No, we haven't been down there though. So this, we gapped down, filled the gap, broke right back in the zone, like it's trying to come for me. If we can survive, 179 ticks to go. If we can survive, maybe. Yeah, maybe. We'll see. It's really close right here. I mean, if we can get a little rejection down, but look how far away from the 21 EMA we are. I'm gonna say we're not gonna make it.
Stop filled.
Stop filled. Great trade, but you know how I knew we were not going to make it? Because look how far away prices are from the 21 EMA, which is your average price. So prices are gonna have to pull back, or you're gonna have to get closer, a little closer, because these was 1, 2, hey, this candle and this candle, that's a massive drop, all right? So prices have to get back. So a lot of people would have entered right here. Let me see. Oh, I don't have my tool, but I could go with this. You know, a lot of people would have jumped in right here because they're thinking like, oh yeah, it's gonna happen. You know, it's gonna go. But look how far away. Look where the EMA is at, though. It's way too far away right now to jump in here, and the average price is up here. So you have to wait for the retracement. So if I was gonna keep trading, right now I'll be looking for 2 legs back up to the 21 EMA, which will create a second entry short. I'll take that second entry short off of the 21 EMA as soon as I get a good signal candle, and I'll grab another 2 probably if I saw 3. So again, the course is coming off the shelf, all right? So if you wanna grab it at 75% off, hit the link right there.